Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tal Muhammad and I am a student at Ryan School, Islamabad campus. So today I am here with a new Tedx review and title name is Why We Do, What We Will Do. And speaker name is by Tony Robbins and so let's start. Review in English. Tony Robbins, Why We Do, What We Do explains the reason behind human behaviors and motivation. He believes that people are mainly driven by two basic needs: the drives to gain places and the drives to avoid pain. Our discussing habits and actions are influenced by our emotions, experience, beliefs, and personal goals. Robin encouraged us and to understand these motivation so we can change negative pattern, make better discussing, and create a more success and meaningful. So, with this was a new TEDx talk. So, thank you and Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad, Rehan School Zindabad.